Alright, welcome to SketchMyApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over a couple of things that'll help you get started. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to turn your app designs into live prototypes. Now these prototypes are prototypes that you can test on your smartphones, on your tablets, and any other mobile device. You'll be able to share them with your teammates and your colleagues, and anybody else that's involved with the development of the apps that you're designing. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is to open up the web browser, go to www.sketchmyapp.com, and at the top of the page, click the link that says Get Started. The first step is to select an account, and this is so that you can share your prototypes with the people that are involved with the development of your app. You can sign in with your Dropbox or a Slack account, and if you don't have one of these accounts, no problem. Signing up is very simple. Just go to the website and create a new account. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Dropbox, but again, you can also sign in with your Slack account. Once you've signed in and linked the account, the second step is to get the Photoshop add-on. And this will allow you to create interactions and configure your prototypes right inside of Photoshop. And to do this, close Photoshop completely. And once Photoshop is fully closed, you can open up the Creative Cloud app on your desktop. And I want to make a quick side note. If you can't find this on your desktop, all you need to do is go to adobe.com and download the desktop version of the Creative Cloud. Once you have this open, click the Home tab. And here you'll see an activity stream that shows all the add-ons that you've acquired through your Adobe account. Now that Photoshop is closed and the Creative Cloud is open, click this link right here. But before installing the add-on, just make sure that you're signed into your Adobe account. I find that when you're making changes in the Creative Cloud, it's always best to sign in first. And if you're already signed in, just go ahead and click the Install button. Once you acquire the add-on, you can go back to your desktop and inside the Creative Cloud, check the activity stream for recent updates. And in a few moments, you'll get a notification that the SketchMyApp add-on has been installed. Now this process can take about a minute or two, so I'm going to pause this tutorial and then come back with the next steps. Okay, now that the add-on's been installed, reopen Photoshop. Select a new artboard, give it a title, and then to open SketchMyApp, look in the top menu bar for Window. Drop down to Extensions, and then open SketchMyApp. After SketchMyApp is open inside Photoshop, the next step is to get the Designer app for your desktop. To get this app, just download and install. If you're using a Mac operating system, you can click the link on the left to download an installation package. If you're using Windows, just click the link on the right. You can save the file, and once the file is done downloading, click Yes to install the SketchMyApp Designer. The install just takes a few moments, and when it's finished, the Designer window will open automatically. So this window will allow you to preview your own designs, and they'll look as if they were on a real phone or a tablet. You can also move and resize this window to be anywhere you want on your desktop. But for now, let's try it out. Go ahead and close it, and then reopen Photoshop. And here's a quick tip you can use while you're making your designs. I like to cut my Photoshop window just a little bit and let the Designer window be here on the side. And you can also rearrange the panels inside Photoshop so that SketchMyApp becomes part of your daily workflow. Just click this little icon here and you can drag it anywhere you'd like it to be. Once you have the window where you'd like it to be, you can go back to SketchMyApp and then select the artboard that you want to be displayed. Now let's put a graphic on the board. I'll just add some background color, maybe a shape or a button, round it, and turn it blue. There, now you can see that the Designer follows almost instantly. Alright, you're almost ready to start making rapid prototypes. The last step is to get the mobile app, so you can test your designs and interactions on a real device, like a smartphone or a tablet. For this, search for SketchMyApp in your favorite app store, and then just link that device to the Dropbox or the Slack account that you've signed in with. It's really as simple as that. And if you get stuck, reach us in our support channel. You could let us know what's going on and give us some feedback. Hey, thanks for watching. And again, I'll be covering this material and more in the advanced tutorials. And you can find those tutorials online by going to www.sketchmyapp.com and clicking the link that says Learn.